Hello everyone. Flowers are so beautiful, right? And today we are going to paint some loose florals using only 4 shades of red. In today's tutorial, I am going to use 100% cotton A5 paper. Worry not, I have mentioned all the details in the description box. The shades of red that I am going to use are Vermilion Red, Scarlet Red, Magenta and Crimson Red. For the tutorial I am using round brush of number 6, but for beginners I recommend using round brush number 4. So now load your brush with magenta and draw loose rose petals like I am doing. Don't worry about the shapes, dear. These are loose florals. The more the loose they are, the more beautiful they will look. Next, taking some scarlet red and making some more loose flowers. The more you add the red, the more vibrant the flowers will look. I am going to repeat the same steps with magenta and crimson red and will make some more loose florals to complete the bouquet. Now it is the time to add some elements of green, that is the leaves. Take the sap green in brush and mix small leaves. After you are done, splatter some colors from your palette on the paper. The splattering of color gives a beautiful effect on the paper, like it enhances the beauty of the flower. And our loose floral painting is done. As a bonus tip, you all can use this painting as a greeting card also. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and jate jate hit the subscribe button. Until then, goodbye. See you all with a new tutorial. Thank you.